Your blood work came back normal, but you're exhausted, your waist is changing, and you're not sleeping. So why don't you feel normal? One possible clue may already be sitting in your cholesterol results. It's a number most reports don't calculate, but you can work it out yourself in about 10 seconds. Pull up your most recent cholesterol results. Find two numbers, triglycerides and HDL. Divide your triglycerides by your HDL. That's your triglyceride to HDL ratio. Now here's why I care about it. This ratio doesn't tell me why you're exhausted or not sleeping, and it can't diagnose insulin resistance, but it can be one more clue worth interpreting alongside your symptoms, your history, and the rest of your results. So what's your number? Values below approximately 1 tend to represent a more favorable pattern. Once the ratio moves above approximately 1.5, I look more closely. Those are rough guideposts, not diagnostic cutoffs. A higher ratio has been associated with insulin resistance, fat accumulating in the liver, and a greater likelihood of smaller, denser LDL particles. That doesn't mean you have any of those things, but I wouldn't want to ignore the pattern either, because one number never tells me the whole story. So let's come back to where we started. If your blood work was called normal, but you're still exhausted, your waist is changing, and you're not sleeping well, this ratio is not the answer. It can't tell you what's causing the symptoms, but it may reveal a metabolic pattern that helps us ask better questions about why you don't feel like yourself. That's how I want you to use this number, not to diagnose yourself, but as one more piece of information worth understanding in context. If that sounds familiar, bring your recent blood work and your questions to us. Book a complimentary 15-minute call with our Higher Health team. We'll review what you have at a high level, talk about what you've been experiencing, answer your questions, and help you understand whether a full assessment makes sense for you. The link is in our bio.